Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, compass. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.